So this is a push right angle hand control. So this is the gas. It goes down for the gas, and then you push forward for the brake. And then you use the spinner knob to steer the car. All right, so here's how it works. So it's a really subtle movement when you're driving with the hand controls. You're really just using a small amount of pressure for these hand controls. So there are these rods that go down to the gas and the brake, so you can hear the rods a little bit squeaking in the background. So this is just really, it's kind of a personal preference which kind of hand controls people like. This movement is, you don't have a ton of hand options with the push right angle, but some people like that. So you're going forward for the brake. And then the movement is just very subtle down towards the floor for the gas.